Man, it's going to be a great day. I can't wait to get the T-tops off the Mustang and take her out for a cruise. Wait, what was that?
Hi.
What? Oh, okay, so as you can see here, I got a hole in the garage door. Got a couple options, either replace them or fix that. One kind of setback on fixing it is these pieces are routed. It's a solid piece, so they're actually built in together. So what I'm going to do is get a orbital saw, and I'll cut from the inside and trim this back, and then I can pull that out, replace it, paint it to match, and all will be good. Now the glass on the outside is the same way, but on the inside they actually have quarter round molding that holds the glass in, because they know you're going to be replacing that from time to time. So this will, in essence,
What is that?
so this I will either put the piece that I cut out back in or get some quarter round molding and put it back in. Alright, so let's get started. Here's the quarter round on the glass right here. And here is no quarter round right here. So again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my orbital saw and cut this out. So that'll probably just be on fast speed while I do it. Okay, I raised it up to get it to a better working height for me, so I want it to be sitting on the ground. Put some vice grips on the roller right here to help stabilize it. So hopefully it won't be bouncing around a whole lot while I cut it. Alright, let's see what happens here. Oh, I'll look right here to see how deep I can go. And looks like right around this mark right here. So I'm going to use that as my guide. So then get a better idea what's going on here. I actually could have gone deeper on that. Quite a bit, like down to here. So probably on my next cuts I will definitely go deeper. Now I can just kind of set it in. There we go. Now I'm going to go cut out a new piece using this as a pattern. Be right back. Alright, got my piece applied, cut to shape. Now I'm going to throw some primer on it and then install it. Alright, let that dry. Okay, it's somewhat dry now. Go ahead and put that in. Okay, so for nailing them on, I just use some short brads there. Of course, I'm going to clean all this mess up. Now this is where you would normally go ahead and paint the other side. Well, caulk it, then paint it, right? This house is going to be repainted in about a week, which is why I'm doing this repair. So I'll probably go ahead and throw a coat of some of my extra paint over it, just so it won't look bad for that week or so. But anyway.
Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please select like down there and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to the channel. Maybe you like the next one. Thank you for watching.
Get it?
Do it one more time.